I wanted to do a short tutorial video on how to use Opus, this amazing AI technology for video editing. It's completely a game changer, super easy to use. But before I do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. Let's talk about Opus. So opus.pro is the website you're going to go to. This website in itself is unbelievable on what it can do for videos. One thing that's becoming extremely annoying and taking longer is the editing of videos, turning longs into shorts, okay? So this is a website right here that's absolutely amazing, and it allows you to do a lot of them for free. So you could really stretch that out before maybe signing up for it. You've got one of two ways to do it. You can upload a file, so you know, the video itself, or drop a YouTube link. So in this example, I'm going to drop one of my own YouTube links, right? So I'm going to go to YouTube, get the URL for it, come back and drop it in here, and then get free clips. And it's automatically going to start to get to work. Sometimes you've got to come back. So in here, it'll ask you for, you know, your email address, because they obviously want you to sign up. Then we're going to go and get a code. And then it's going to ask you what you prefer, right? So I'm going to prefer a 30 to 60 second clip. That way you can do a 1 minute short and be able to post it anywhere, and then click on it. Now, what you're seeing right here is it saying it's busy, and that it's going to take time. So we're going to let it do that and then come back to the video once all the shorts are done. All right, so Opus has come back to us and it has given us clips based on that YouTube video. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips out of that. An amazing amount of shorts out of a long video that you already did. So let's click on one. I haven't reviewed these at all, so I have no idea what they've given us. But let's take a look at them. Now, keep in mind, they're giving you a title. To them, this is an intelligent AI defined title. You may want to tweak it, right, to get more attention. It's a little wordy in that regard. So you're going to click on it.
Universally, everybody knows rates are going to improve. That, again, you're going to see the summer of 2024.
Now, if you saw right there, this is cutting up a YouTube video. My suggestion to you is don't use a YouTube video, use your organic video, because I've already edited that YouTube video. So you're going to get those random things on the screen that you wouldn't want versus do it organically. So every time I film a video, we're putting them into Opus to give us some clips and shorts. And then we're obviously then editing the long form somewhere else, Adobe Premiere, something like that.
Just wait. Here's the thing. We have an inventory problem. There's not enough homes. This may not get solved for quite some time. So these higher interest rates are your friends, because many buyers are staying on the sidelines and not getting in because the rate is scaring them, or maybe they can't afford the payment as is.
Okay, beautiful job by Opus. That's a great clip from start to finish, right? Outside of that writing that you saw in there, amazing job. Now, right away, you can download it and then use it anywhere you want, and you can edit it. Let's say they had a typo in there somewhere. You would click on edit, and then it's going to give you the ability over here to make those changes. Opus, an amazing, amazing website to use. Take the videos that you're already doing, right? That you're already doing long forms or listing videos or longer interviews or any of that, and get the shorts out of it. It's giving you free content going that route. And that right there is technically everything you need to know for the most part on how to use Opus. It's a game changer. You need to check it out. Stick around for this next video. I think you're gonna like it.